One, we are from grade 10. Today we are performing an act based on the periodic tables. This is a place where metals, non-metals and metalloids react with each other. Welcome to Elemental Extravaganza. Mummy, you know what? God is writing to me. It's telling me greatest element.
Oh, is it? So come. Hey God, come out.
What is the matter, Oxygen?
The son is quarreling with my daughter on who is better.
Why are you guys fighting? Don't be so toxic.
Sulfur, we non-metals are greatest, right?
Yes, we are, of course.
Ahaha, good joke. But we are everywhere, from the body of an organism to structure things. Ahaha, bad joke. You guys are everywhere, but all organisms need us to live.
We are the great.
We are the greatest. We are the greatest.
Hello everyone, I am Silicon. You are a silicon, a non-metal, right? Come on, let's fight against those metals.
No, you are a metal. Come and join us.
No, I am neither a metal or non-metal. I have both properties of metals and non-metals. I am a metallite, so I declare myself as the king.
Wait, but this can't happen. Our prince is Iliam. I will take you to him.
Oh, so you are the prince. Come, let us fight and see who's stronger. Why he is not reacting? He does not react to anyone because he is a noble guest, but he is not react to anybody.
I know, right? But you don't even know. So you want to become a king?
Oh, so why he is not reacting means? What is the use if he does not react? I am the strongest, so I will be the king.
I am most good looking. I will be the king.
I am most important element, so I will become a queen.
I will be the king. I will be the king. I will be the king.
Please don't fight. What's the matter? Let's resolve the conflict.
No, there is no time. I am the strongest, so I should be the king.
No, it can't happen.
Is it so? Then I call my army of metallites. Let us war and see who wins.
We metals are ready to fight. So what are you waiting for?
Please don't fight. What's the matter? Let's resolve. Your physical and chemical properties are different, but we all belong to the same family. That is the family of chemistry. All are equal. No one is superior or inferior.
What you are saying is right, but that cannot stop me from becoming the king.
Hey, please stop fighting.
Hey, who are you?
I am Mendeleev, Russian chemist. I have come from the land of humans.
So you are human, right?
Yes,
Then please say for the humans who is more important.
for us, every one of you are equally important. Even if one of you are absent, our nature will be imbalanced. So every one of you are equally important.
Is it so?
Yes,
Now what should we do now?
leave that to me.
Then what are you going to do now?
I will be arranging each one of you in increasing order of your atomic mass. This is the periodic table.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That is the land of you saved us. Thank you, sir.
That was my duty.
So this was a story of land of elements. As Mendeleev gave out the periodic table, he is also known as the father of periodic table. From then on, all the elements were happy and satisfied with their positions in the periodic table. Thank you all.